Real Imaging by Canaview presents a single web-page property where all the agent's information can be added along with a single click to view all your tours in one convenient place. An overview of the property information can be added here, and right below is a Google Map location and information on what is close by, like schools. Photos are presented in a collage. By clicking on a picture, you will see a slideshow of the floor plan in relation to where the rooms are located. Panorama views can be presented along with the 3D tour, which include features like jump tos, and measuring tools, along with in-tour photos. Videos can be added as well, with possible drone videos. Our floor plan is also presented with hotspot location shots. Our single web page properties can be shared on multiple platforms. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.